Counting Insects. Brought to you by Little Kids Heart of Learning.
Hello friends. It's great to see you again. Would you like to count insects today? Wonderful. Let's begin. One. Ant. 2. Beetles. 3. Crickets. 4. Dragonflies. 5. Earwigs. 6. Fleas. 7. Flies. 8. Grasshoppers. 9. Honeybees. 10. Ladybugs. 11. Lice. 12. Mosquitoes. 13. Mantis. 14. True bugs. 15. Termites. 16. Thrips. That was just a few. Thank you for counting insects with me. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. Until we meet again, you were absolutely great.